Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Victor Alfonso Sorimantilla. I am 36 years old. I'm my friend. I usually watch TV. I listen to music. I live in Piecuesta. On my last vacation, I traveled to beach of Cartagena and visit its historical sites. I live with my wife and my daughter. I study industrial engineering and also open distant university unit very good. On my next vacation I won't go to visit Cancun in Mexico since I went it's in a very beautiful place. I always like sport. I usually play soccer and tennis. Sometimes I go to walk in the outside and ride or bicycle. Next to go will to work about the ingredients of the Santander mute and of preparation. Okay. Liter of ingredients: 5 grams, 500 grams of bed rid of pork, 3 liters of water, 500 grams of cashews, 5 composed, 200 grams of cookie chickpeas, 500 grams of cassava, 500 grams of potatoes, split and cut into square, 500 grams of chopped wood squash into small pieces, 1 split onion or scallion, salt, pepper, and cumin to taste, chopping coriander and avocado for gaming. Okay. Preparation. Not important. Peel and mash the ingredients very well. Okay. Bueno. Enlargar por place the water, the meat, onion, and cilantro cook an hour and season to taste. The remaining ingredients and simmer for 35 water is necessary. Okay. Garnish with coriander and serve with white rice con queso avocado. Okay. Very well. Thank you. Very good.